everyone, welcome back to another episode of Let Him Ask. Today I'm with Sir Jared from Team Ignite.
Hello guys!
Sir Jared, when is the right time to invest in a condominium?
Okay, the best time to invest on a condominium is now. And you will consider property na yung mga pre-selling and then yung mga newly launched pa lang. Ibig sabihin yan, pag mga newly launched, base price pa lamang yan. So, dapat ngayon pa lang nag invest na kayo sa mga property na yan. Kasi once na ma-develop yung location ng property, tataas na yung presyo niyan. And baka maliit pa kayo. So, the best time to invest on a condo property is right now.
Wow, thank you so much, Sir Jared. And for more frequently asked questions about real estate, follow for more.